If you want trade like me, and if you want top down analysis, stay with me. And if you want trading like a winner and you want to forget your losing days, just stay with me. I am Mansoor Khan and I am a professional trader. Today I will explain what will be the expectation for the coming week. But first, let me confirm my voice so we can proceed further. If you are here with me, stay with me, you will know the magic wheel. Just 1 minute. My voice. Yes, my voice is good. So हम हर वीक अपनी वीकली एनालिसिस प्रेजेंट करते हैं ताकि आप लोगों के पास रिकॉर्ड रहे और आप उसी के ऊपर जाके फिर रिसर्च मारे कि ये बंदा जो कह रहा है ठीक कह रहा है विद टाइम और गलत कह रहा है. ओके, सो अगर आप भी मेरी तरह एक विनर बनना चाहते हैं ट्रेडिंग में और अपनी लूजिंग डेज को टारगेट करना चाहते हैं तो जस्ट स्टे विद मी. ओके, मेरा नाम मंसूर है और आज मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा कि कैसे मैं हर दिन लाइन्स ड्रॉ करता हूँ और ट्रेड का फ्यूचर प्रेडिक्ट करता हूँ. ओके, सो वी आर इन वीकली चार्ट on US 100 cash capital.com. Why this data is important? Capital.com is nearby the raw data of future index. Okay, so you will study your data on capital.com. Today is Sunday and it is 9:54 Eastern time. Whenever you are coming to the next week, you will mark your previous week high, your previous week low. This is the first step. I think you understand. But you will mark this previous week high and previous week low on two correlated assets. You can mark it on three correlated assets, but if you mark it on two correlated assets, it is good and highly correlated asset. US 100 and US 500 is highly correlated asset. Why I am starting every time my analysis from US 100 or Nasdaq? The main reason is I love this asset and it's moving in algorithmic way very precisely. So that's why I'm starting from US 100 every time. So weekly chart, we are bullish. How you can predict this? Just expansion, retracement. So we are bullish. Come to the daily chart. Now the real gems will start. Okay. Every time frame you are going down, you will study the accumulation, manipulation, distribution. हर एक टाइम फ्रेम पे आप जाओगे तो आप accumulation, manipulation, distribution को सर्च करोगे अपनी आइज से और अपनी आइज को ट्रेन करोगे इस लिहाज से. ओके, this is Q1 of the year. This is 2026. Q2 of 2026. You got my point. Okay. So on daily time frame, we are bullish expansion, retracement. This is from price point of view. But from time point of view, we are above from last quarter, which is Q1. And we break through very with velocity, so it means we are bullish in both of the asset you see here. Okay, ये तो वो चीज़ें हो गई जो आपको एक जनरल ओवरव्यू दे देती है जैसे ही आप मार्केट को स्टडी करने शुरू कर देते हैं. बट अब हम नीचे जाएंगे. ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट साइकिल्स हैं, मंथली साइकिल, वीकली साइकिल and daily cycle. This is the core part of the US 100. Mark my words here. Okay, on 4-hour time frame you will study the data between the weeks, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. How you will study? You will anticipate the market according to some framework work. There is AMDX slash XAMD. For the start, this is enough for you. Okay, week 1 previous week को follow किया, so it is X. Week 2 will accumulate, then it is accumulating. Week 3 coming down, manipulating, and then the distribution is start here at week 3 and week 4 is follow. So what it is mean, जब भी अगर आपके पास week 1 just straight away expand हो रहा हो तो आपको डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आप जस्ट वेट करें week 2 का. week 2 will for sure accumulate and week 3 will manipulate and the distribution will start at that week 3 and week 4 will follow. If the distribution is not start at week 3, week 4 will start the distribution. The same condition is applied for the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you study the data between the days, Monday, Tuesday, फिर Wednesday, फिर Thursday, फिर Friday. Friday is not a part of the quarter theory. Okay? What is quarter theory? Quarterly theory कहती है कि एक ईयर में 4 क्वार्टर्स होते हैं, फिर हर एक मंथ में आपके पास 4 वीक्स होते हैं और हर एक वीक में आपके पास 4 डेज होते हैं और 4 डेज में हर दिन में आपके पास 4 सेशंस होते हैं और फिर हर सेशन में आपके पास 4 90 मिनट साइकिल्स होते हैं. तो इस इंडिकेटर को जस्ट फुल आउट करें फ्रॉम हियर, पुटिंग द इंडिकेटर इन QT एंड इट विल फुलिंग अप एंड यू विल स्टडी इट. ओके, बट उसको ऐसे आप स्टडी नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप डे की और जिस बंदे की वेब कंटेंट स्टडी करें तो आपको स्ट्रेट अवे आपको बताएगा कि आपने SMT सर्च करनी है. बट वाई वी विल सर्च SMT? आई गिव यू द स्टेप. The framework should be accumulation, manipulation, distribution. X is the reversal or continuation. X accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Okay, so these are the important steps. You need to mark these steps in your mind. अपने साथ ये लिख ले तो आपको आसानी होगी. Okay, 1 hour time frame, you will study the data between the days. Okay, like Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. If Monday accumulated, when Tuesday will be manipulated and Wednesday will distribute. If Monday just continue in the previous direction, Tuesday will accumulate, Wednesday will manipulate and Thursday will distribute. Okay, फिर आप सीक्वेंस को भी देखे, लाइक Q2 अब Q2 अब Q2 Q2 अब Q2 अब Q2 का क्या मतलब है? सेकंड वीक, देन Tuesday, देन लंदन. दिस इज़ Q2 अब Q2 अब Q2. सीक्वेंस को आप देखें, जो SMT इसमें फाइल करेगी सीक्वेंशियल SMT, तो यस यू नीड टू टेक द ट्रेड आफ्टर चेंज इन स्टेट ऑफ डिलीवरी. यू गॉट माई पॉइंट. सो हर एक दिन आपके पास कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा, बट द पॉइंट इज हाउ यू इंटरप्रेट दिस डेटा विथ यू. ओके, बट before we continue, let me check again these things. Okay, how's our voice? I think our voice is good. And let me check that it is public or not. It is, I think, public, and you can chat here with me. I think so. Yep, it is public. Okay, so what is the next step? You will study the data between the days on 1 hour time frame. अब ये वीक स्टार्ट होने वाला है, आप लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए? पर US100 कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए, जस्ट वेट. अगर मंडे coming down, expanding, and then stop, for example, here, then you will wait for the Tuesday, because Tuesday will accumulate and form SSMT, or Wednesday will form SSMT. You can take this data from the economic calendar. The first time after a long time, economic calendar is in good mood. Like NFE जो है वो पहले वीक में लाई कर रहा है बहुत अरसे बाद. So in my opinion it is a good sign for trading CPI in the second week. जब ये डिस्टर्ब होते हैं अपने वीक से तो फिर ट्रेडिंग का उतना मज़ा नहीं होता. ओके, then you will continue to upside. But अगर Monday straight away going up, then you will wait. So Monday usually what we will do, we will just wait. But in the week 1, this is week 1 is coming. Week 1 you can trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Why you will not trade the Thursday and Friday? Friday there is NFE, non-farm payroll. So after non-farm payroll you can trade, but that will be a huge pump or dump like this. Some manual intervention. Okay. So what's the point? You will wait. If it's going up, you will wait for the accumulation. Accumulation is important. Yes, you can trade on 15-minute time frame data between the sessions. Asia, London, New York AM, New York PM. Okay, you can trade this, but it will not high probability. I think you got my point. 4-hour time frame, yes. Last week high, last week low. First step clear, expansion retracement clear. We are above from the previous week high, so it's mean we are bullish. What we will do? We will wait. If two stages palm here, like the crack between the week 4 and week 1, and then the crack between one day and another day, XX, you can take it like Wednesday and Tuesday. It is a good sign, like it is a 2-stage, and then you will wait for this crack between the sessions and you can take the trade with the sequence. Okay, now we need to move forward with the gold. Gold, I tell you something. This is the Q1 low of this year, and this is the Q1 high of this year. So you will wait either side. Okay, for the gold to predict it. What will be the direction? Okay, and this is the future data of the gold. You will study mainly the gold on the future data. Okay, this is important. Okay, so this is important. So what is the direction for the gold in your mind? This question will be arising so much. I don't know. Okay, so if you give me 1 minute, I will come. Okay, and rejoin, but someone is calling me. Let's see. So this is the gold, and the same for the silver. So लास्ट टाइम मैंने आप लोगों को कुछ दिया था इधर स्टडी करने का. अगर आप लोगों ने स्टडी किया है तो यू फाइंड बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी हियर. ओके, what about BTC? BTC, I tell you, it follow the larger cycle, like here it follow. Okay, Bitcoin and Ethereum is the correlated asset. There is a crack, regarding accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Now you will see here. What about the bonds? There is a problem in the bond. In T-bond future, weekly time frame, we took the yearly low, 2025 low, but on 10-year T-note we didn't take the yearly low, and on 5-year we didn't take. This is a crack, and this will directly affect the dollar for sure. Okay, so what's your stance on the dollar? You will wait until the bond market will clear itself, like there is a change in state of delivery, and make the market make its structure, so it will go bullish, and the Euro USD will go bullish, and the GBP USD will go bullish. It's intermarket sequentially empty. Okay, like Euro didn't take, Great British Pound didn't take the low, but the T-bond future take the low. Okay, I got you. Dollar index, one of the most important, consolidating. consolidating. I think my voice is good. Yeah, the dollar index consolidated again. So yes, this is the Q3, Q2, Q1 of the years. Okay, 2024, 2024, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026. Okay, so this is the quarters of the year. There is 16-year cycle also, 4-year cycle also. So 2026 is the Q4. Okay, there is a hidden sequential SMT which no one will show you, and there is also a SMT up in the bond market which give you idea. But the problem is डॉलर और बॉन्ड्स जो है वो एक ही डायरेक्शन में हैं, जो कि वेरी लो प्रोबेबिलिटी कहलाती है. जब मैंने ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट की थी तो मैं सोच रहा था कि कोई ऐसी कंडीशन मुझे समझ आ जाए कि जिसमें मैं ट्रेड ना लूँ, जो मुझे पता हो कि ये लो प्रोबेबिलिटी है. तब मुझे अंदाज़ा हुआ कि अगर टी बॉन्ड या जो यूएस के बॉन्ड से अगर वो सेम डायरेक्शन इन द डॉलर हो तो देन यू विल नॉट टेक द ट्रेड जो yield से. ओके, I hope you understand my points. I hope. So Euro USD, nothing important. Daily time frame. Daily time frame, you will study your data between the months. Okay, months like what is the last month? This is the May. Then the June will start. The data between the May and the June. This is the, on the daily time frame. FXCM. This is important. Okay, you will go to the FXCM always. On 4-hour time frame, we find crack there. I think if you remember. If you remember, we find something here and we take it. Sorry. Here. Okay. And we take it. 4-hour time frame, again, I will tell you, we will study the data between the weeks. Week 4, week 3, week 2, week 1. Week 1 accumulated. Week 2 manipulated. Week 3 distributed. Do not stay in one asset. And if you stay in one asset, you will never understand accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Because if the crack will not appear in front of you. And this crack is always there for every reversal point. You got my point? I hope so. Once again, I need to check. Okay. So I need to wind up this session and let me conclude. I hope you find some value and we will meet you in the next video. Thank you.